To get the most out of your RV's refrigerator, don't pack the food too close or put too much food in the refrigerator. Air must be able to circulate around the food for it to operate properly. The RV must be close to level for the refrigerator to operate properly, and keep in mind that outside temperatures affect the refrigerator too. In hot temperatures, try to park in shaded areas, especially on the side of the RV the refrigerator's on. Always keep a small thermometer in your RV refrigerator so you can monitor the temperature. Food can begin to go bad at about 40 degrees. Happy RV learning.